thinking about buying the Drivse shower head. The ads promise softer skin, better water pressure, and even filtered water benefits. But is it really worth the hype or just another flashy shower gimmick? Let's dive in. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Well, before we begin, also, a lot of you guys have been asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, Drives markets its showerhead as a kind of spa upgrade. With mineral beads for filtration, claims that it can help with dry skin and hair. The site looks clean, and with the branding, it feels premium. But if you check Trustpilot, reviews are mixed. Some people say the product feels cheaper or doesn't work as advertised, while others complain about slow shipping or trouble getting refunds. Average rating? Not great. There's also a Reddit post from someone who tried it and wasn't impressed, basically calling it a basic showerhead wrapped in fancy marketing. So is Drivs worth it? Probably not. It's a real product, but it seems overhyped. If you're expecting the full-on spa experience or miracle results, you'll likely be disappointed. Try the Drive Shower Head yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit like and subscribe for more new no BS reviews on trending gadgets and online stores.